even know. I can make your hands clap. Said I can make your hands clap. Somebody save your soul, cause you've been sinning in the city. I know too many troubles, all these lovers got you losing control. You're like a drug to me, a luxury, my sugar and gold. I want your sex and your affection when they're holding you close, cause you don't even know. I can make your hands clap.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out one of the coolest upgrades Novsight has dropped, and it's a new toggle switch wireless control. And if you're like me and you're running multiple lights, accessories, or gear, this setup is a game changer. It's clean, it's smart, and it's 100% built for the off-road lifestyle. This isn't just a regular switch panel. This thing is wireless, it's remote controlled, and it's designed so you can manage all your accessories without a mess. Imagine controlling your roof lights, rock lights, whip lights, and even your compressor from your remote. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Here we go, guys. Right away you can tell Novsight packaged the products well. Everything is neat, secure, and just feels premium. Here's the switch panel, which will be installing next to the battery. Here are all the ports. Each port has different amps. Port 1 has 30 amps, 2 has 30, 3 has 20, all the way down to 10. We'll figure that out because all the lights have different outputs. I'll probably be connecting the roof lights here and the 30 amps because that's a lot of output power. And the rest I'll figure it out with the Halos SCs. You got your tools, and here we have the control. This thing is a beauty, guys. You got your on and off button right here. You got the halo around it when it's on. All of these will light up with a halo around it once they're on, so you can tell which switch is on and off. Here you got your port to charge the battery. Okay guys, first it's very important for you to disconnect your battery cables. These out of the way. Oops. See, something fell under all the mess of cables. We're gonna get rid of all of this today. We're gonna be getting rid of all of this. Guys, for almost all of my videos, I try to to speed it up. But for this video, I wanna be very detailed so that you guys can use this video for your own installation in case you need guidance installing your switch panel. Okay. All of the cables are off. Now we can start getting rid of all these wires. All right, guys, let me show you a little bit of what I'm doing. I'm just testing the unit, and I want to show you where those where the white cable goes. Any auxiliary fuse you can use in the JLs. We can use this 20 amp fuse, which is for the climate control inside the car, which as soon as you turn on the car, the whole unit is going to be powered. Okay, so that's what we need this for. That's what the white cable is for, just to power on the unit when we turn on the car, and power it off when we turn off the car. Okay, obviously you got your ground wire and your main power supply connected to the positive post. And let me show you, I just connected the light bar, and look how much cable I had to cut, and I don't need to use anymore. All of this. Okay, this is what used to go inside of the car, the on and on switch. After that, you have this module, which you're not gonna need it anymore. Okay, and I'm gonna show you which cables to cut, because you're not gonna be using the fuse, because you're gonna be connecting to the unit, right? So right off of the module, should I say? I don't know exact name for this, but right off of this, you have the power, you got your switch that goes inside the car, and you have this other cable, and it's this cable right here, right? So this will be going here. That's how it comes when Novsight sends this to you. It goes like this. I cut it, I splice the cables, now I connect it. The red positive wire is for your high beams. Okay, it's gonna be connected to your positive post inside of the switch panel, and the negative is gonna go in the negative. But the yellow and the white, this is the amber X and the white X. Okay, they're both gonna go on positive post. So you're gonna use the next one coming up, and you're gonna use the positive on this side. Okay, you're gonna have an extra negative here that you're not gonna be using unless you connect other lights, and then you're gonna be using this one. But right now, let me give you a little test of how it's working. And this is the cool part. You got your controller right here. Okay, no wires, no nothing. You turn it on. All right, like that. You turn it on, and let's go with the high beams. Turn it off. The amber X and the white X. How cool is that, guys? Okay, so I just cut one of the SEs. I'll show you exactly what to cut, so that your installation is super easy and you don't have to struggle. This one is intact. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut this one that goes to the lights. Okay, this is the one you're gonna cut. Okay, so like I said, positive, these are being used by the experts, so we're gonna use this one, will be the next one. And I'm just testing this out because I'll probably connect all of the SEs together. So with one switch, I can use all four of them. Negative. Again, I'm just testing this out. Okay, this needs to be tight, needs to be tucked in. This will be the red halo. and the white halo, and it's gonna go on a positive. So right here, I'm gonna be connecting all 4 halos, okay? But I just wanna test it out. And I wanted to show you how the connection goes, because when I splice these cables right here, I wanna splice this, and I'm gonna put the yellow with the yellow, white with white, black with black, and red with red. They're all gonna be together, okay? So all 4 halos are gonna turn on at the same time, and the colors are gonna match. So let's test out the halos. Beautiful, beautiful. And I'm now gonna connect the 6 SEs to this one, and they're all gonna connect at the same time. They're gonna turn on with the same button, okay? But that's beautiful. Look at that, guys. Saving so much room inside that engine bay. Well guys, this installation is a wrap. The toggle switch wireless controller gives you power so you can control the night with ease. Look at all the space that now we're saving under the hood of the Jeep. Which one would you prefer? This or this?